It's just been over 1 year since I got the Cinebot 30, and I want to share you my honest review.
I've taken this drone all over Southeast Asia shooting for hotels, tour companies, and back in England for commercial shoots like weddings. When I first got the Cinebot 30, I didn't have a GoPro, so I was recording everything on the DJI 3. If you're watching this video, you probably already know the difference between the quality of a DJI 3 and a GoPro or DJI Osmos. But in my opinion, recording with the O3 is a great starting point. And if you're always posting videos in 16:9:9, you might be okay. But if you're looking for the best quality for social media posting, then you'll want to get a GoPro or an action camera as soon as possible. I've flown this drone with a full-size GoPro, no GoPro, and most recently, a naked GoPro. And I can say in all cases, it flies amazingly well. As expected, you'll have shorter flight times and less punch with a full GoPro, but it's really surprising how well it flies. You can get away with flying a full-size GoPro for indoor flying and fly through tours, but expect it to be louder. I was really surprised to see how well the drone handles dives in more aggressive flights. I took the Cinebot 30 all over the Philippines diving cliffs, and it handled it very well. I've created a few different rates for different flight styles, which I'll share in the description. I like to have more aggressive rates when I fly outdoors, and calmer rates when I fly indoors for super smooth flying. You can expect anywhere between 7 and 11 minutes of flight time on the Cinebot 30, which feels like a super long time compared to a tiny cinehwoop or a 5-inch freestyle drone. The pitch tuning GEPRC put on the drone feels amazing. The flights are super smooth, and as I said before, even flying more freestyle feels great. When I first looked to get the Cinebot 30, I wasn't sure whether to get a 2.5, 3 or 3.5 inch cinehwoop. I finally landed on the Cinebot 30, and I haven't regretted my decision since. If you're not concerned about having a cinehwoop under 250 grams, then I think the Cinebot 30 is the perfect choice. You can use it for real estate, fly near people as it's got its guards, and it doesn't feel too big. I personally don't think there's a need for a 3.5 inch cinehwoop when it flies this well. Obviously, if you need to be under 250 grams, you'll need to go smaller. This drone is very well built. It has a strong frame and good protection around the DJI 3. I've crashed it multiple times and it's held up really well. In over 1 year of flying, I've only ever broken one part on it, and that's the back frame here, and that's easy to replace. In my opinion, the Cinebot 30 is an amazing drone, perfect for indoor flying and a combination of indoor and outdoor when you need something smaller than a 5-inch drone. I'll continue to use this drone until something better comes along.